Hello everybody. If you have to replace your pressure temperature relief valve and you're wondering whether you have to drain your hot water tank, in my experience the answer is no. You do not have to drain your hot water tank in order to replace this valve. Here's why. Make sure you have all your water shut off, so shut off your water supply. Make sure all your faucets are completely closed and don't let anybody open a faucet. And remove the drain pipe. Get your new T&P valve ready with Teflon tape wrapped on it, and you'll be able to just simply remove the valve and insert the new valve with a very minimal amount of water spilling. And the reason this works is for the same reason that if you take a straw and you fill it up with water, right, you've all done this, and the water stays in the straw unless you release your finger from the top and let air in. So the same principle works for your hot water tank. By the way, this is the same reason that you don't have to drain the water if you're replacing the heating elements in an electric hot water heater. The same principle applies. So that's my experience. Your results may vary, but I've replaced many of these valves in different houses over the years and have never had to drain a tank. I've only ended up with just a very minimal amount of water spilling. So that's my tip for you today. By the way, this piece of cardboard here is just to make the video a little bit easier to shoot. I do not have a piece of cardboard laying up against my hot water tank. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or informative, how about a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel.